Hello from the capital city of England, London. London is a fascinating city with its Tower Bridge, the Buckingham Palace, or London Eye. Today we will take a flight that goes from the southern London Gatwick Airport to Munich, the most popular city in Bavaria, Germany. Therefore, our aircraft will be in an Airbus A320neo, and we start our trip to Germany at gate 101. Before our takeoff, we must order services to load baggage, meals, and fuel. In addition, we must not forget the jet bridge so that the passengers can board the aircraft. While the processes are executed, we have to program our MCDU and call the tower to get our clearance for this flight.
EZ289er83 is cleared to Munich Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 26 left climb and maintain 10,000 feet. Departure frequency is 118 decimal for 75 squawk 5267.
The route will take us from the runway 26 left at London Gatwick Airport in a 180-degree turn via MIMF 1 Mike departure. Then we turn in southeast direction and overfly the English Channel, Belgium and Luxembourg to Germany, where we will begin our descent next to Frankfurt and land approximately on runway 26 right in Munich. The boarding and loading process is finished, so the services will now leave and we are ready to push back our A320neo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this flight from London Gatwick to Munich. We ask you that you please fasten your seatbelts and secure all baggage underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments, as well as to put your seats and table in the upright position for takeoff. Please turn off all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. We are just pushing back and will be soon ready for taxiing and takeoff. While we are pushing back, we can start our engines in sequence while we begin with engine number 2. For having a safe flight, we check the systems of the aircraft, including the ailerons, elevators, and rudders. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like your attention and now want you to watch our safety demonstration. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight, as we may experience some turbulences. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide, which may also be detached and used as a life raft. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. In the event of a decompression, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, please set the mask towards you. Please sit firmly over your nose and mouth, secure the elastic behind your head, and breathe normally. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to the mask. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first and then assist the other persons. Keep your mask on until an informed crew member advised you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your right thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in a pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When it's instructed to do so, Open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust it at the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention. At this time, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. While we are in cruise, we want to take the time for talking about some informations about our route. With a great circle distance of 916 kilometers, an average flight time of 1 hour and 19 minutes, and a cruising altitude of 37,000 feet, we are on a short-haul flight. Our departure airport, London Gatwick, has ICAO code Echo Golf Kilo Kilo, IATA code Lima Golf Whiskey, and was opened 1958, and today it has 2 terminals and 2 runways, which are parallel, but the 26 right or 08 left is often used as a taxiway. Our airline today is the EasyJet UK with an ICAO code Echo Zulu Yankee and an IATA code Uniform 2. Call sign of this airline is Easy, and this was founded in 2017 and is based in Luton with a fleet of 160 aircrafts. Our aircraft for this flight is an Airbus A320neo with a length of 37.57 meters, a wingspan of 35.8 meters, a height of 11.76 meters, and an MTO of 79 tons, as well as a range of 6,500 kilometers. The Airbus A320neo has 2 different engine options. First, the CFM International LEAP 1A or the Pratt & Whitney PW1010G. Our arrival airport, Munich Airport, has ICAO code Echo Delta Delta Mike, IATA code Mike Uniform Charlie, and was opened in 1992. Today it has 2 terminals and as well as 2 runways, with a length of 4 kilometers. Before this new airport in the Erdinger Moos was the old airport Munich Riem. Ladies and gentlemen, we start our descent to Munich, and please make sure Your seats and tray tables are in their full upright position for landing. Make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Munich Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until the airplane has arrived at your gate. Please check around your seat for any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you, and please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as heavy articles may have shifted around during the flight. We have now arrived at Munich Airport. Thank you for watching this video.